Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set full screen display for YouTube in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings. Go to settings. Okay. Then go to display and brightness. Display and brightness, and here select display at the top of the screen. Just select it, and here you will see YouTube. Click on it, and if it is set to automatic fitting, or if it is set to hide the front camera, that means full screen display may not be used. Okay, in automatic fitting too, sometimes full screen display may be used. Okay, but if you have if it is already in hide the front camera, then that means front camera will be hidden, and up to this area preview, see the preview. Okay, normal display will be using for your YouTube. Okay, if you would like to get full screen display for YouTube, always keep in mind that select this option, second option, display the front camera, so that you can make use of full screen of your phone for playing YouTube video. Okay, so in this way you can easily set full screen display for YouTube in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.